Hello everyone. My name is Dr. K. Sanjay and I'm the director of Spinning. My heartiest congratulations to all the successful candidates, students of class 10 and 12. In this video, I'm going to brief you what exactly you should do after class 12. You have already passed your class 12. Now what are the options before you? The very first thing, the most common field is doing graduation. You can do the honors. So what exactly is graduation on honors? Well, it is 3 years course and you have to study 6 semester. Now what you should do? So you should take the subject you are really interested in from within. You should do the honors in the subject that you are very fond of that subject. Because 3 years in fact is a long time. And if you get influenced by someone and you take the subject in which you are not really interested in, 3 years will be a dragging and a pulling sort of affair. You will find it very prosaic. You will find it very hard to complete the 3 years. You won't be interested in studying. But if you are taking the subject in which you are really interested in, 3 years, you will learn a lot and you will thoroughly enjoy your 3 years. Now, what about the colleges? Well, only few colleges. St. Xavier's College is one among them. It conducts the entrance exam. The subject, the honors you want to take, St. Xavier's College conducts the entrance exam, and if you qualify in that exam, you can get the admission. But 99% colleges, they don't conduct any entrance exam. They take the admission on the marks basis. The subject you have got good marks, you can apply, you can take your honors in that particular subject. For your information, science students can shift to commerce and arts. Commerce student can shift to arts, and arts students, well, you can't shift anywhere. Now, what are the papers? What are the subjects in which you can do the honors? Like for arts, you can do English honors, Hindi honors, Sanskrit honors, history, pol science, economics, geography. There are so many subjects in which you can do the honors. And in fact, these subjects will help you if you are preparing for UPSC. If your target is to qualify UPSC, this subject might be of great help. Now the commerce one, you can do the accounts honors. And for science one, you can do maths honors, physics honors, chemistry honors, biology honors, botany honors, geology honors, geology honors. So there are a lot of fields in that also. Apart from these subjects, there are some vocational courses also. The vocational courses are BBA, BCA, hospitality management, hotel management, fashion designing, interior decoration, performing arts, mass comm and journalism. In fact, there are so many fields, vocational lines after class 12. So once you go through net, you will find that there are so many courses. Only the sad part is, like in Jharkhand, you won't find these courses. Only the few of them, they are being taught in Jharkhand. For rest of the courses, you might have to shift somewhere. And secondly, these vocational courses are costly courses. So when you are very much sure, then only you should go. First of all, your family member should allow you that you can go outside. Secondly, you should not join any simple college or ordinary college for vocational courses, because after 3 years, you won't have any market value. So while you want to do vocational colleges course, make it a point to join any very reputed college. Then only your future prospect will be bright. Now there is one more question. Say in a particular subject you have got the less marks. Say in English you have got the less marks, but you want to do English honors. What should you do? Well, all the colleges, they have their cutoff mark. And if your marks is above the cutoff, then it will be very easy for you to get the admission. But suppose in case you don't have the marks, you have marks below the cutoff, then there will be a problem. Then you will have to sacrifice. You will have to go to second or third rate colleges. Then only you can get the subject of your choice. And here I would like to remind you one thing. If anyone if anyone tells you he can get you admitted in any college taking money, he is telling a lie. He can't. The chances are very, very less. These days, it is not very easy because the cutoff mark, it is already been announced the college, and all the colleges, they declare the lowest mark on which they have taken the last admission. So they cannot do these things. It's very hard. Then there is one more question. Can you do two courses at the same time? In the sense, say you have joined English honors, and along with that, can you prepare for engineering and medical or CA? Definitely you can. You join any college where the attendance is not an issue. Join any ordinary college and you can prepare for these exams. Is it right to skip 1 year and prepare for engineering and medical? Very honestly, I'm not at all in its favor. I would rather advise that you take admission in any ordinary college and you keep on preparing for engineering, medical and other entrance exams. If you qualify, well and fine. If you don't qualify, at least you are already having a subject in your hand on which you can complete your graduation. So in that way, you can save 1 year. And do remember that 1 year counts quite a lot in your future. Well, last but not least, one suggestion I would like to give you. Do the honors in which you are really interested in. From inside you are interested in. Then only you would enjoy your life in a true sense. All the best. Thank you.